In VLSI domains like circuit design, circuit simulation, physical design, mastering scripting is a must. Why? Because it's the key to automation and customization, making your work more efficient. So what is scripting? Scripting is a programming language used to manipulate, customize, and automate the facilities of an existing system. Scripting languages are usually interpreted at runtime rather than compile time. Understanding scripting languages like Bash, Awk, Tickle, Perl is crucial, and PinE Training Academy is equipped with a solid 10 years of experience to guide you. We offer simple, step-by-step solution taking you from Unix to Bash, Tickle, TK, Perl, and then Python, where each module is designed to build your skills progressively. You will also get hands-on experience with live projects in Bash, Tickle, TK, Perl, and Python. Learning by doing, the best way. To give you in-depth and hassle-free learning, you get content of 50 to 60 hours per module with live support so that you are never stuck. So go to pinetrainingacademy.in, sign up, create your dashboard, and enroll in courses made for VLSI pros like you.